Do you want a foundation that is lightweight and you can barely tell you have any makeup on, but it gives you this full coverage finish? Well, this one is the Laura Geller makeup kit. It comes with everything: the brush, the foundation, blush, bronzer, eyeshadows, and a highlighter. Notice the coverage it gives me. If you've seen the before and then the after, you will notice that it gives me a full coverage look, and I feel like I don't have anything on. And this brush, it's like so pretty. It's a kabuki brush for foundation. It applies so nice on the skin. Even my mom loved the coverage it gave me, and she actually purchased one today. But it's insane how this powder can create this full coverage. Do you see this difference? It's insane. And the best thing, you can also purchase the foundation by itself, and they have different colors. I got the porcelain one, but they have fair, light, medium. They have so many colors. I'm impressed in this foundation. It also has a bronzer. Like, it has everything you need to make a makeup look, and it's super natural, like very pigmented. Okay, now I'm using the highlighter. Oh my god, don't tell me you can't see this shimmer right there. Like, it is so pretty. And then we're gonna do some eyeshadow. I'm going to start off with the color Almond. It's this light brown color. It gives me like a natural finish. And then also I am going to put the color Oyster on my inner corner eye. See how it's very pigmented, and this oyster color, it has some shimmer. You can see in this video. I give this eyeshadows a 10 out of 10, and look at the blush. Like, everything in this kit is so nice. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow more for more content.